Hey everyone, Ismail Collier here, Ish your realtor from eXp Realty. I just wanted to give you an update about the stimulus package and the various aspects and various parts of the stimulus package. Today is April 6th, Monday. I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope everyone is safe, and I hope everyone is staying indoors. Please stay indoors and keep yourself and keep your family safe. All right, so disclaimer, first of all, I'm not a tax professional by any means, and you should certainly consult your tax professional for more advice. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to kind of just demystify and break down the various aspects of the stimulus package due to the corona crisis so that you have a little bit more information in terms of what is available for you and what action you can take. Number one is the IRS direct payment to every taxpayer in the United States. All right, so for that, you don't need to take any action. That is going to be automatic. If you file taxes in 2018 or 2019, the IRS will be looking at that and then will determine your eligibility. If you haven't filed 2019, they'll go by your 2018 taxes. And if your life circumstances hasn't changed, such as you haven't gotten a new baby or a new child, then you don't really need to rush and file right now. The 2018 taxes should be fine. If you have had a new baby since 2018, then you might want to file 2019 right away because that'll make a difference. All right, so what is the payment? Any single individual earning less than $75,000 will be receiving $1,200 payment sometime in the month of April. A married couple filing jointly and making less than $150,000 will be receiving a total of $2,400. And if your income is more than $75,000 for individual and more than $150,000 for couple, will then receive a lesser amount. And there's a threshold. So above $99,000 for individual and above $200,000 for joint filers, there will be no money being received. All right, but for the most part, those are the amounts: $1,200 for single and $2,400 for married couple. All right, if you have children, you're under 18, you'll receive $500 for every child that was on your tax return for 2018 or 19. $500. Those are the figures, and the money is expected to be direct deposited to your account in the month of April. If you have been using a bank account to pay your taxes to IRS or to receive a refund from the IRS, that same bank account will be used to send you the money. If you have changed that bank account, if that bank account no longer exists, or if you've never used a bank account with the IRS, you are in the habit of getting checks by mail, or you're in the habit of paying taxes by check, then you will be receiving a check. However, the time frame for that will be much longer. It may be lots of weeks, maybe a couple of months, few months. The IRS is expected to roll out a online portal that will allow you to go online and now submit your bank account information if you haven't used a bank account in the past. However, that portal has not been rolled out yet, and when that is done, I will be sure to pass it on to you folks. All right, so that's really all the details that I have. If you have not filed 2018 or 19, then I really don't know what the steps are. Again, you should certainly speak with your tax professional in any case. Just on the same point, the 2019 tax filing deadline has been extended from April 15 to July 15. That's automatic for everyone. You don't have to do anything. If you've already filed your taxes, great. You don't need to do anything. If you've made your payment, great. If you have not made your payment, You have up to July 15. If you're someone who receives a refund, and if you've already filed your taxes, you should be receiving a refund if you haven't done so already. And if you are someone who receives a refund but hasn't filed your taxes, then again, you do have till July 15, but then I recommend that you file soon so that you can get the refund soon as well. All right, those are all the details that I have. Reach out to me if you have any questions. 914-215-1540, 914-215-1540. Ismail Kolya, Issue Realtor. This is not a tax advice. Please speak with your tax professional. If you need a tax professional recommendation, reach out to me. I'll be happy to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.